Meaning of high-res.
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 High-res. High-res is an abbreviation for high resolution, which refers to the level of detail in an image or video. A high-resolution image or video has a greater number of pixels, which makes it sharper and clearer than a low-resolution one. This is particularly important in fields such as photography, graphic design, and filmmaking where the quality of the final product is crucial. High-res images and videos are often larger in file size, which can lead to longer download times or require higher storage capacity. Overall, high-res media delivers a much more immersive and detailed viewing experience.